This is one of my daughter's bedrooms, and it's a smaller bedroom, which I like. And it's very neutral in color. Very, very neutral, very zen, very calming. On the accent wall, I used a nice wood because I wanted to bring in that warmth, again, bringing in that nature against the backdrop of everything very neutral. You know, people think that if you have a neutral background, a neutral space, or just one color in a space, that it will be very cold. That's not true at all. You just have to make sure you use lots of texture. You always have to layer with texture, because as you see here, there's really no color in this space, but lots of different textures are throughout, and that's what makes it so special. Nothing here is animal-based. Nothing has chemicals. It's all completely toxin-free, which is terrific because that keeps you happy, healthy, and strong. One point I want to bring up: in every one of my spaces and in every project that I've done in all my years of decorating, I think it's really important that before you go to bed at night and when you wake up in the morning, that you see something very positive. I even do that in nurseries. You have to have a positive visual before you close your eyes at night and the first thing when you wake up in the morning. So for my daughter, it was this. Right across from her bed is this beautiful photograph of the water. And this is what brings her joy. So it's really important to keep that in mind when you're designing a bedroom.